Hey, Dad. Hey, I was looking for Mom. Yeah, I know. Anyways, I was wondering if you were looking for her too. I know she wants a divorce. Does that matter right now? But don't you love her?
Did you call the police or file a missing persons report?
No. You know how the police are. They don't care. They call it accidental and let her die. And all she hears is voices in her head screaming and people calling her a bitch and a whore. And they still expect for her to beg for help. As if they can't just look at her and tell. The police are a joke, and they don't help good people.
I'm all against establishment, but you worry so much. It's not your problem. You take on everyone's problems, when really all you need to care about is yourself. Your mom would want you to be happy.
You seem to be doing a great job.
I know I look good compared to a dope fiend with a needle sticking out of their arm, wasting hundreds of dollars a day on a high that only lasts a couple of hours.
A few hours doesn't seem so bad right now.
What caused her to leave?
She was mad at my dad. Apparently, she wants a divorce.
That's some serious shit. And you said it like you just farted.
Oh well, I guess you missed a dramatic inflection and the rest of my life.
Don't worry, I can read between the lines. Like the reason you want to hang out with me.
Like I am that transparent. You don't know anything about me. What if she dies? What if she doesn't look when she's crossing the street? What if someone sticks a needle in her arm? Don't you care? Why don't you care? I don't understand.
What are you doing out on the streets late at night?
I'm not a prostitute, if that's what you're asking.
Did I ask that?
No.
You do look kind of beautiful though under the streetlight. You wanna take a break? Relax with something to drink?
Well, it has been a long day, and I could use a nightcap.
Sounds good. I live right around the block. If you wanna sit down. I mean, you look tired.
I'm usually not out this late.
I didn't think you were that kind of a girl.
I'm a straight A student in school.
Really? What's your favorite subject?
Math. My dad's good at math, but I'm not really that good. I thought that he'd want to help, but, you know, he doesn't have the time.
It's too bad. Wish I could have been around to help. I'm really good at math. Come on, let's get you off the streets. There's predators out here. Or didn't your mom teach you about that?
But I should be looking for her.
She can take care of herself for a few hours.
You know what's funny? You're the second person who said that to me tonight.
Must be true then. Probably should have listened to him the first time, though.
I could use a break.
I love this show.
You want to watch a movie?
You're not tired?
No. Are you? You could sleep in my bed.
No. Okay. What kind of movies do you have?
Anyone you want to pick?
I feel like a kid again. I hadn't watched movies since I was 12.
Well, I'm glad I can make you feel that way.
I think we're moving a little too fast.
Fast. You're in my house at 3 in the morning. You gonna be a tease?
A tease? We just met.
Did you expect coming over to watch a movie? Did you really think we're gonna watch movies? You
Yes.
can't be that naive. Loosen up. The night is still young. We could both be having a lot more fun. Relax.
What are you talking about? We just met. Stop!
No, you wanted to. That's why you came here, 3 a.m. Huh? It's freedom. Come on.
You know, you sound like an infomercial when you lie. So why don't you just take your deep insights to a therapist's office?
Well, aren't we a buzzkill?
Look, I had a shitty day, and I don't need to take shit from you too.
Maybe you should have some more of that. You'll feel better in a couple of hours.
So where do you think she is?
Your mom?
Yeah?
Right now I'm sure she's at one of those places like Denny's, having one of those huge Grand Slam breakfasts. And she's probably having a huge Diet Coke on the side because, you know, she's also probably trying to watch her weight. Then afterwards she'll check into a really nice hotel, the kind with a mint on the pillow. And she'll watch a little TV. And just before she falls asleep, she'll think about you. She'll hope you're in a warm place where you're safe and loved.
You know, I like that. I like that.
So what else do you want to talk about?
I don't know.
Hey, I got some free soap from the grocery store.
The grocery store? A way to make a petty theft sound dorky.
Oh, it was pretty easy. I just switched the sale price on a few items.
Wow. Keep that secret locked down.
Actually, it was pretty close. I almost got caught.
With your pants down?
Yeah, way down below my knees. When the lady confronted me about it, I told her in a cool, calm, and slightly demeaning way that that's the way that it came.
And she believed you?
Well, no, but she didn't have a reason not to. But she did give me the stink eye on the way out.
You're playing with fire, and I'm not gonna bail you out of jail.
Come on, you don't want to go and see all the criminals and find your next boyfriend?
I have them all for that.
Anyways, I think I'm gonna be leaving now.
You don't want to sleep here?
Well, I wasn't going to ask.
And when did you become modest?
When have I ever been modest?
I know. It is such a pity because the modest girls always seem to get laid the most. I mean, they look so pure walking down the aisle. It's too bad that they can't look that beautiful the day that they realize that their vaginas can't stretch enough to pass 5 kids. And they get tired of cooking. And then tired of being in the background of someone else's life.
It's probably the eyeliner.
Sometimes I hate men.
Don't worry. They're probably so numb when they fuck you, I doubt they take it personally.
That makes me feel better.
I can decode most men's grunts. One time I was making out with a guy, and he put my hand right on his junk, as if I needed a hint. I almost felt like I was a prostitute.
What a romantic moment.
Yep. Could have charged the brat. Given him the ripped condom and told him in passing that I was having an abortion.
Men want us to be servants, and I personally feel like I go through life looking like a baby factory.
Well, why don't you just call it your career and sell your children to those poor couples with fertility problems?
No one loves me except for a mentally ill woman, and even her love is tainted. I'm fighting someone else's battles, assuming that at the end of the day, that she'll come around and thank me. How stupid am I? That's so stupid. She doesn't love me. She doesn't love herself. And yet I keep thinking that she'll come back around. I think she will. Just like those stupid psychiatrists who says that she's going to recover. It's just the right combo of pills. Drug her up again, please, so that she can forget my birthday. So that she can't feel. And so that she can forget me. Again. Please, I beg you. That way she can sit still. I dare you to keep fucking up my life. Why am I stuck in this maze? The system says it's my responsibility. Sorry. We can only take her for 2-week intervals. I know she still hears voices. And it's probably manic. But what can we do? I mean, if the hospital can't help her, then who will? Who can fix her? Who can?
Please, say you.
love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Care for you. Care for you.
Please, I need you. I need you. Please.
Care for you. Care for you. Oh.
Okay, it's good.